Hello, myself Dr. Jnanada Ghanekar,
Myself, Dr. Vaishali Holmukhe.
and we both are homeopaths, and today we are here to talk a bit about homeopathy in simple terms. So let's start with Dr. Vaishali. क्या है होम्योपैथी?
होम्योपैथी सिंपल भाषा में बोला जाए तो होम्योज मीन्स सिमिलर एंड पैथी मीन्स शास्त्र। तो एकदम सिंपल तरीके से कांटे को निकालना, इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे। पर पहले जानते हैं होम्योपैथिक दवाई आती कहाँ से है।
Yeah, so basically homeos is similar and pathy is science. So it works on the principle of similia similibus curantur, and medicines in homeopathy are procured from varied sources available in nature like the plant, the animal, the mineral, the imponderables, which also includes the sun, the moon and the magnetic energy and other sources. And then the medicines are subjected to a scientific process known as potentization, in which the essence or the powers of the medicines are extracted.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the medicine is administered to the patient. So, what happens when a patient approaches a homeopath, Dr. Vaishali?
यस, जब भी पेशेंट आता है होम्योपैथ के पास तो हमें उसको फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल उसको अगर हेडेक है तो उसका हेडेक का तो हम सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन लेंगे ही, लेकिन जिसको हेडेक हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली वो कौन पर्सन है, उसको क्या क्या तकलीफ़ें हैं, तो हमें एकत्रित रूप से उसका पूरा जानकारी लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी एंड माइंड दोनों अलग नहीं है, दोनों
हिस्सों में बटे नहीं है,
हिस्सों में बटे नहीं है, बराबर वो सब एक ही है। तो इसके लिए हमें होम्योपैथी में एकत्रित रूप से पूरा केस लेना पड़ता है। पेशेंट का हर चीज़, उसका स्वभाव, उसके लाइकिंग्स, फियर्स, अभी तक की हुई तकलीफ़ें, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग सबका डिटेल लेना पड़ता है। तो आगे आप बताओ।
तो जैसे अगर it's a rainy day and we both are getting wet in the rain, right? And the next day she catches cold and I am with diarrhea. So why not I also catch the same thing like cold? But it's not the principle on which the nature works, because we both are individuals, two different separate individuals. So our body also reacts differently even if we are getting wet in the same rain, right? So this is the thing. So individualization and holism are the basis of homeopathic prescription, in which the person, if suppose one approaches me for a headache, so in that case the headache is important, no doubt, but with the headache the person who is having that headache is also important, and we take the microscopic details of each and everything at the holistic level, like the nature, like the physical ailment, the mental ailment, the spiritual thing, everything is taken into consideration, and then the medicine is based on the pattern that emerges after taking the case taking. So this is in short how homeopathy works.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा। और आप बता सकते हैं होम्योपैथी की होम्योपैथी का वर्क किधर किधर है, कहाँ कहाँ हम दे सकते हैं?
It works from like newborn baby to an age-old person. Varied scope it has on all age groups, on all genders, and right from cold to cancer, it has high scope of healing and curing the disease or the complaint, and boosting the immunity and striking a balance between the mental and the physical well-being. And the WHO has rightly said in this regard that it has added the spiritual well-being also in the health definition. So isn't homeopathy a really wonderful science, Dr. Vaishali?
Of course it is. इसीलिए तो चलो जागरूकता के और
चलो होम्योपैथी की ओर। थैंक यू सो मच।